Hi, this is Mike from Printwear, and I'm here today with Brian from Color Matrix. Thanks for being here today.
Thanks for having me.
Can you talk a little bit about the pros and cons between having an infrared and a quartz flash cure unit in the shop? What are some of the benefits of having either one, and what are some of the challenges of having either one?
Well, infrared is going to be a staple product. It's been around for years. Easily movable, power source, readily available. It's a workhorse. It's dependable, easily maintained. Quartz flash is going to be, it requires a little higher voltage. It's got instant on, instant off technology, which is nice for you. Less pallet heat retention. It can also be, we've got some higher end manual shops now that are buying them for that. With optical sensor, pallet moves around, flash turns on, flash turns off. No worry about burning your pallets on that. Cons is quartz flash is going to be more expensive. The power is not as easily removable. You couldn't take it on site somewhere. The bulbs aren't as durable or long lasting as an infrared panel.
So it really kind of factors into how heavy your volume is, or how heavy you project your volume is going to be.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's why you see a majority of all automatics now are quartz flashes, because it will flash faster, typically uses less power, but you do have the additional cost and maintenance factor on it.
So how can a shop determine what kind of dryer is going to best fit their needs?
Well, I would say to begin with production volume, what production volume you're looking to achieve, what's your space requirements, and then what material that you're printing on. You have dryers now with digital temperature, digital time on those. Those are, in my opinion, critical if you're printing athletics, stretch fit garments, nylon jackets, etc. That additional layer of control on there. Of course, the size of the dryer. But I tell people, try to plan what's your production rate for the next 24 months. What are you looking to achieve? You don't want to bottleneck your production. Quite often people buy, especially when they're starting up, they get a dryer that is too small, and then within 12 months, they're able to print faster than their dryer can dry.
In any shop, what are some things that a shop owner should be aware of safety-wise with a dryer?
We see some of the common mistakes that I see is people putting spray adhesive cans and screen openers on top of their dryer, particularly on the in-feed area. Just about everybody who's been in screen printing for a time has heard about one of those going through and causing a mess or a fire hazard on there. Some of the problems that we see recurring, especially with the smaller end dryers, are going to be electrical wiring. Whether they're running a portable small dryer through a extension cord that's not rated for the amperage, or they have replaced their plug where it had a 20 amp, 120 volt plug, and they put their own plug on, whether the wiring was loose or what, and they bring us the dryer for our service department to repair it, and the plug is melted or misshapen, or the wire is misshapen. All of those, are serious fire hazards.
Okay. So why is it so essential for a shop to have a flash cure unit?
The flash cure is a central piece as much as a press. Gives you the ability, not only everybody knows to print on a black dark garment, you're going to need to be able to print flash print. If you want to print specialty inks, quite often you're going to want to flash your last color before you print your specialty ink. But not only that, but startup shops, particularly beginner printers, the flash gives them the safety net of being able to flash in between every color. Gives them a smoother print on that.
Can you talk a little bit about the pros and cons between having a gas or electric dryer? What are the benefits of both, and what are the challenges of both?
The technology continues to advance with electric dryers. There was a time gas was a mainstay for large volume automatic shops. It was more energy efficient, and there's still some regions in the United States where it is more energy efficient. On there, one thing that I do consider still for gas is the amount of forced air that's going through that, a convection style curing on there. It still allows you to produce a very even temperature across the entire garment on there. Electric dryers tend to be less costly for your startup costs, so they're a little more affordable. And with the advances being made in them, where they've got large volume forced air, they can come very close to the same stable temperature that you would get out of a convection gas dryer.
Well, Brian, thanks for being here today.
It was a pleasure.
Yep.
Thank you, Mike.